I hear the heater starting to come on. Hear the air blowing down. It's been making this weird clicking noise. Sometimes it gets louder. You hear that? It's like dum. It's been bothering me since I'm a very sensitive sleeper, even with using a white noise machine. So let's go ahead and go to the basement and see what it is. Alright, so I'm in the basement. So here's the furnace setup. American Standard. The Honeywell air filter system. Here's the ducting. It's a fairly old house. I think about like over 50 years old. There's the duct work. I believe it's the ducting work, and that's where the room is located. That's where the vent is. I did some research. They said when the heat starts up, the ducting or the connections, because it's metallic, it expands. You hear that? And because it's an old system, it makes this ticking noise. It really bothers me while I'm sleeping, because I keep on hearing that constant dump, dump. I can hear it more pronounced at night, probably when it's colder, because you have that difference in temperature. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply some of this tape. Oh, hear that? I think this is the sound. So there's enough gap right here. I'm gonna just put it in between the two metallic parts, and hopefully that will dampen and get rid of the noise. So here's what I did. I noticed there's like a screw right there. See that? There's like a screw right there. Maybe when it expands, it keeps on hitting this metallic part. From there, on the intersection right here, see, there's some wooden part right here. You see how this kind of a little bit has some gap right here. And this piece, there's definitely a large gap, so I don't have to worry about this. This is a big gap. See, I can fit my finger from here. So I'm gonna also put like some plastic tape underneath there. There it is. Hopefully that fixes the problem. And I hear the heat coming back on. So I'm sure confirm there's no more clanging, ticking noise. Here comes the blow of air. Please, no noise. So far, so good. Alright, it's been about 1 minute. I think I've fixed the problem. So if you guys ever hear that annoying ticking noise on your ducting or on your heater system, this is one of the ways to fix it. Have a good night's sleep.